In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set custom ringtone for a specific contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open our phone app. In here at the bottom, tap Add Contacts, and that will show you your phone book. That's where first off we need to search for a contact. You can just go through that list in that way, and also you can hit right here to use search. I'm just gonna enter test here. I got here several test contacts, and now first off we need to tap Add a Contact, then tap right here at that button to go to that contacts page, where we need to tap right here at More, then select Change Ringtone or Vibration here, and then select Ringtone. That's where we can easily choose different ringtone for that contact simply by selecting any ringtone from that list. Once it is done, just go out of here because the ringtone has already been set for that contact. Here it shows the ringtone name. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.